So there.
You did, right?
No, this is video, yeah. So there's the purple rope that I need to climb. I need to climb that rock right there. That's not that hard. That rock's about 15 feet, maybe.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Okay, I just climbed up this rock and I'm stuck and I can't move.
Wow, look at this. She's like stretching out and stuff.
I seriously can't move.
Okay, so let's try to figure this out.
Okay, you can film this, but tell me how to do this.
We're gonna have to move your right foot. See if you can pull yourself up. Can you kneel? Are you able to kneel right now at this point? Where
I think I can. I just don't.
Yeah, move your right foot inward now. I'm sorry, your left foot. Your left leg. Move it in now, because you have enough space to put. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Now you got it. All right, success.
I think I was gonna be able to do that.
Success. Wow, look at this. She made it. Okay,
and there's the cliff that I was climbing up. There we go. That's where we went. So it's like, right now we're in a cave with a waterfall in Malibu, and I just hope that there's no lions in here or anything like that.
We're inside a cave. It looks pretty freaky. It's like the Blair Witch Project.
Here is the underground waterfall again. We'll go this way.
Excellent cave.
Now we gotta climb up this. That's how we got down here. All the way. That's not too bad though. Here's the waterfall just past the underground waterfall.